ObjectRocket was built from the ground up for MongoDB, and the reasoning behind that is that databases have very specific needs. They love memory, they love CPU, they love I/O, they love all those things. And when you go and put those things on a general cloud computing environment, it just doesn't work.
We were using the cloud for a variety of database services, and we decided that the offerings that we were seeing out there just really weren't good enough. They weren't very operationally sound, they weren't really industrial strength. They were built on sort of rickety foundations, and they're having a lot of problems and outages.
All three of us worked at eBay and PayPal early on, which is how we all knew each other. We had a lot of, there was a great incubator for this because we had a lot of big data there, a lot of databases, and a lot of early closed source lock-in too. So it was, it really cultivated the idea that we wanted to build a really robust open source solution in the future.
ObjectRocket's been based on open source technologies from day one. Everything that we do is basically open source, and being an open cloud company like Rackspace is a great fit, where we think we can really build our technology and continue into the future, building great open platforms.
Rackspace has been a great driver in the open source community so far, and ObjectRocket really started around an engineering culture. We wanted to build a really solid product first. Our core focus was just to make something that customers really wanted to use, was solid, and really let developers develop quality things instead of focusing on the underlying infrastructure.
Customer wants something that they can easily make themselves. They don't want to be locked into a specific platform. And that was one of the, again, one of the reasons for making ObjectRocket.
I think the future's wide open at this point. I think we're going to be able to build great products and bring them to customers very quickly. I think we'll offer great support to those customers. And I'm really excited about moving forward in the future. I think that folks using MongoDB in the cloud are going to see some great changes in the future and be able to really rely on the cloud in a way that they haven't been able to do before.
We think this is going to provide a great capability for customers. We love the MongoDB technology and the traction that it's having in the cloud. We think this is an example of the new technologies that power an open cloud movement for humanity.
That we're really dedicated to not having vendor lock-in. The real core value of the companies is about customers and customer support. And I think this just furthers that.